We guide you through how to use MoneyGram Online. First, open the MoneyGram website or app and sign in to your account. If you are new, create an account and verify your email and phone number if prompted. Once you're logged in, tap Send Money, then choose the destination country and enter the amount you want to send. Select how your recipient will receive the money, such as bank account, mobile wallet, or cash pickup, depending on what's available in their country. Next, enter the recipient's details carefully and review all the information before continuing. Choose your payment method such as debit card, credit card, or bank account, then confirm the transfer. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation and a tracking reference number that you can use to monitor the transfer status. Yield recipients can also use this reference number if they are collecting the money in cash. And that's how to use MoneyGram online quickly and securely.